Nagdala mo, ma'am, ha? Relax lang. Ay, alam mo buhay, bisag na ambak na mo 5 meters, ma'am, ha? Alam mo buhay, ma'am. Kaya na nila. Yes, ito lang, ma'am. Kaya nyo na, ma'am. Di ba, ma'am? Ma'am? Kaya mo yung 5 meters? Yeah! Mukha chick! Yeah! Human traffic! Oh! Pag-ingon ko, ma'am. Gunit si Ilong. Gunit! Kaya 5 meters drop. Unira, ma'am. Excited lang siya, ma'am.
5 meters na.
Oo, 5 meters drop na yan, ma'am. No. Yay! Okay! Are you ready? Gunit sa Ilong! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a prank! It's a prank! O yan, oh, ma'am, saan na, ma'am? Namula lagi mo na, ma'am.
Kuya ko nanalo!
Nagkuyangan ka, ma'am?